In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect email to Wix website tutorial. If you want your website's messages to feel professional and land where you actually read them, connecting your email is a simple but powerful move. By linking your Gmail or Outlook account, Wix can manage your site-related emails, things like contact form notifications, order updates, booking reminders, and other automated messages, so they use the inbox you already rely on. This keeps your communications consistent, easier to track, and more likely to be seen. Start on your site dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, click Settings, then open Communication Channels. This is the central place where Wix lets you hook up external tools for messaging. Here, you'll see the options to connect your Gmail or Outlook email. Choose the provider you use and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically get a secure pop-up from Google or Microsoft asking you to confirm the connection and grant permission, so have your login handy if you're not already signed in. Select the correct account, approve the request, and allow it to complete. When you return to Wix, you should see your email listed as connected. That's all there is to it. A quick note on what connected actually means. You're not creating a new mailbox. You're allowing Wix to send and manage site-related emails through your existing Gmail or Outlook address. That helps your recipients recognize who the message is from, increases trust, and keeps replies neatly in one place. If you have a dedicated business address, this is the perfect one to use here for clean separation and stronger branding. If at any point you change your mind or need to switch accounts, you can come back to the same communication channels area to review, update, or disconnect the integration. For security, it's a good idea to keep two-factor authentication turned on for your email provider and periodically review connected apps in your Google or Microsoft account settings. If messages don't appear as expected after connecting, check your spam or promotions folders, verify that you selected the right email address, and make sure you have permission to send from that account. Small naming tweaks, like setting a clear display name for your sender, can also help your audience recognize your messages immediately. To recap, from your site dashboard, open Settings, go to Communication Channels, and connect Gmail or Outlook. Once you've confirmed the connection, your Wix website emails will be managed by that provider, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother, more professional email experience on your site.